Hello word journeyers. Today I am unboxing a Yubotai brand Sweet keyboard. I have this new setup, so I actually have a big monitor. I like having big monitors for like editing and whatnot. It just makes things a lot easier. You can see I already had a sizable laptop actually, but this would be awesome to be able to use this, be less strain on my eyes, and if it is too big for some reason, if I think that the monitor is too big, I have a slightly smaller TV. There are advantages to working at a hotel because we do replace things and update things, and new TVs is one of the things that we have updated recently. And it's supposed to be a really cute keyboard, and it comes with a mouse, all with one USB port, which is really awesome because I actually went and bought a wireless mouse, not realizing when I went to shop for a keyboard, which I ended up doing online because I didn't like any at the store, that you could get something that'll run off of like one little USB. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this now. Oh, and also, yeah, this is my new microphone. I haven't been making videos in a long time, mostly because I just couldn't stand the sound quality. It got worse. So this is my first time using the new microphone as well. So hopefully it's actually capturing sound because I was lazy and didn't test it out. Okay, everything's out of the packaging. Let's look at this keyboard. Oh my god, it is so freaking cute. I love it. I love it. And I understand it has like kind of a typewriter sound. I wouldn't really say that's... It does have a better sound than like... that is definitely a laptop sound. This... Oh, that sounds nice. I did read one review that said that the keys were small and it was too small for their hands. Well, they must have pretty large hands because this is a lot better than my laptop, it seems like. And way better than my previous laptop. Like my current laptop could eat my old laptop for sure. And it even comes with a little brush, which is awesome. You can just brush things off, brush the dust out. That's freaking great. Okay, this is wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and get it plugged in now and see if it'll work. And of course the USB was in the mouse. I've gone ahead and plugged it in. Okay, there, uh-oh, nothing's happening. You know what? This probably doesn't come with batteries. No, it feels a little light even for a light mouse. Okay. This takes batteries, and this guy takes batteries. Does not come with them. Luckily, this is the office. I've got the batteries. Here we go. Yes, I'm typing one-handed. Oh, I love that. I love the sound. Oh, that's great. So, I am super happy with this. This is fantastic. as you can see, I need a haircut, so that'll be something I'll be doing soon. You have to actually schedule a haircut, and I'm afraid my barber shop is going to close again. I think I've only had one haircut since the pandemic began, and it is definitely time for another haircut. Yeah, I have some great plans for this channel outside of making myself presentable. I do want to sort of not reveal everything I have planned, because some of it's actually for another channel, and I've been really wanting to get that off the ground for years. And there's been a lot of failings on my part and a lot of failings on my project partner's fault. And I'm gonna see if this restart with this proper technology, if it will motivate us. So my plans for this week are actually to fix some timeline issues in my current work in progress. I started writing a new novel, and I guess I'll just give a working title of Charlotte. That's not what I'm calling it exactly, but let's just say she's the main character, and I've been working on it for a bit and have come across some timeline things. So I redid the timeline in a spreadsheet, which I've never done before, and now I realize, like, okay, I've got it in the spreadsheet, but I really want to make sure going forward everything in the spreadsheet is correct and everything in my memory is correct. It is, like all my other manuscripts, being written by hand first, so I am going to type up what I have so far. Hopefully I can get it done in a week. No guarantees I can. This will also give me a good idea of what my word count is. I sometimes have anxiety about word count, and with my brick of a novel that I finished in December, was that? I got way over the word count I thought I was going to get, which is totally awesome, because in editing, you're gonna cut a lot, but although that book actually has a lot of things I know I need to add, so the word count's probably gonna go up, maybe stay the same, depends on how much cutting I actually need to do. So I'm really hoping that it's going to sort of take the anxiety off when I see the word count, although it could definitely, turn the flame up on my anxiety if my word count is way down. Now, I'm not even halfway through. I guess I'm halfway through the first part, although there might be a third part I'm adding to it. I'm not entirely sure yet, and that may actually all depend on the final word count of the first and second parts of the book. So that's my main plan for the week, and also I want to work on that other project, like really get into it. I mean, a big reason I want to work on this other project is it's going to help me learn. It's a big learning opportunity for me, learning deeper things about literature, thinking more critically about literature. So that's sort of what my plan is. Work on Charlotte in the morning, work on this other YouTube project right after lunch, and everything else the rest of the time. I cannot, of course, guarantee that I'm going to be working on anything come Wednesday, November 4th. I may be hungover from celebrating, or I may be hungover from sorrow. Although we're very likely not even going to know the outcome of the election for some time, depending if it's going to be a matter of not enough votes counted, because absentee ballots do have extra security measures, signature matching, affidavits, witness signatures that have to be validated in a lot of states. In some states, their laws don't even let them start counting the ballots if they're mailed in right away. I live in Iowa, so they actually start counting the mail-in ballots first because they take longer to process, which just makes a lot more sense in my humble opinion. I don't know why you wouldn't be of the same opinion. You know, voter suppression, that's really what that is. But yeah, so I need to go shopping. I'm gonna buy some good whiskey, some of my favorite whiskey, and also food. And I will see you all tomorrow. Until then, keep it creative. Bye.